uniform. Let's start a new topic about uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform means जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट या बॉडी इक्वल डिस्टेंस और इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम पे कवर करती है, जब उसका डिस्टेंस और टाइम सेम रहता है तो उसको दिस टाइप ऑफ मोशन इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. तो इस तरह के मोशन को हम क्या बोलेंगे? यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट covers equal distance in equal interval of time. जब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट इक्वल डिस्टेंस और इक्वल टाइम पे ही कवर करता है तो इस तरह के मोशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. By taking an example, we can easily understand this term. This is origin. एक origin है, यहाँ से एक body start की. When body start to move and it covers 4 meter in 2 seconds. I said this distance it reached at A point. Then it again start to move and reaches B point and again it covers 8 meter from the origin. 8 meter from the origin within 2 seconds. Then it again start to move and it covers 12 meter and reach that point C in another 2 seconds. Distance same. 4 meter, 8 meter from the origin, 12 meter from the origin. Distance is same, 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, and the time is same. In 2 seconds, other 2 seconds, next 2 seconds. तो इस तरह के जो मोशन है उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. In non-uniform motion, when an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. जब distance क्या होगा? unequal, लेकिन time will remain same. When an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. Distance unequal and time will be same. For example, by taking same example, let's start. An object moves from the origin and it covers 4 meter and reached at a point A in 2 seconds. Then it again start to move and reached at point B. Time same in 2 seconds. But it covers 8 meter. Now it again start to move and reach that point C in 2 seconds. But it covers 4 meter. Here you can easily see that distance is unequal. Distance are unequal, but time is same. This type of motion is called non-uniform motion. By illustration, this type of example, we conclude that in uniform motion, distance are equal and time also equal. But in non-uniform motion, distance are unequal, but time will remain same. Okay? सुनिए आपकी होगी बस कोई